Hi third year, how you doing? Hope you're all okay. So this video is just going to be a short simulation to hopefully give you a good visualization of conservation of energy. So when potential energy is converted to kinetic, and then when kinetic is converted back to potential, okay? So hopefully this will give you a better understanding of that concept. Sorry about this area here. I can only get this simulation to go this wee square here. So, right, so I'm going to play it through one time. Just keep a wee eye on this meter here, and hopefully you'll be able to see what's happening. So I'll play it through one time. So there you go. So let's take that one step at a time, okay? So height, potential energy, is increasing the higher up the cart goes. So EP equals mgh. The higher the cart, the more potential energy. So it slowly climbs until it gets to the top of the peak here, where it's full potential energy, maximum potential energy. And then it's going to go from point 1 to point 2, and you're going to see all of this potential energy converted to blue, converted to kinetic energy. So here we go. There you go. So it's at peak kinetic energy at the bottom of the hill, okay? And then you'll see some kinetic be converted back into potential because the cart is rising again at point 3. There you go. Then you'll see that rise even more at point 4. So this is the second peak. Notice that it's not as high as the first peak, so there's not as much potential energy. There's still a lot, but there's not as much at peak number 2 at point 4 than there is peak number 1 at point 1. And then you'll see the cart traveling from 4 to 5, and this potential energy again will be converted to kinetic energy. There you go. So it's all kinetic energy. And you go up to point 6, which is the smallest of the 3 peaks. So you'll see just a slight increase in potential energy. There you go. Then it will go down again, and all that potential energy will be converted into kinetic energy. There you go. So I'll play it through one more time. There you go. Potential energy rising as it gets higher and gets converted to kinetic potential, kinetic potential, kinetic. So I hope that gives you a good idea of the conservation of energy. I'm going to post a link to this simulation. You can do it yourself, have a play about. So I hope that's okay for you. And thank you very much. And I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.